Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on Linux Mint 22.1. But the process is same on all Linux Mint 22 versions, whether it's 22, 22.1 or feature versions of the 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter, then see here at the time of installation PostgreSQL version is 17.5. So click on download. Then click on Linux, then see here we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay, open terminal, go to run the command more /etc os-release. See, we are on Linux Mint 22.1 ZI edition. Okay, but the Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, so click on Ubuntu. See here it supports all Focal, Gemmy, Noble, Oracular, Fluky editions. Okay, so we can install, because here see here it is Noble edition, so we can install on Linux Mint as well. So copy this command. I will show you. Only we need to replace this $version code name with Noble. Okay, so let me show you that step. First on these commands. First it is going to install CA certificates and call. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Both are already installed. Control A. Now import signing key by running these two commands. Paste it. It is done. Now run this call command to import the signing key. Paste it. It is done. Now here code name is version code name. See here version code name here is Zia. So it won't support. So we have to give Noble. Okay. Copy this command up to this CPT, paste it, don't give, hit enter, then give Noble -pg dg, then copy this from main to up to end, that is list double quotations, then paste it. See, nothing I have done, just I have given in place of this $version code name, I have given the Noble. Okay, that's it. Then hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you want to install 17, you have to give 17. If you want to install 16, you have to give -16. If you want to install 15, -15, like -16 or -15. Okay, so I want to install latest version, so don't give any version number and hit enter. See, now it is installing PostgreSQL Server 17. So type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 17, and also see here it set these default values. Okay, max connections 200, shared buffers to 128 megabytes, time zone and other options. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is started. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server. This is not the PostgreSQL Server version. It is the PSQL client version. To verify the PostgreSQL Server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 17. Q to quit. Now verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user. We can also verify the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user, which is super user. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for this Postgres user. So alter user Postgres with password. Provide the password. I am giving admin at 123. See, we have successfully set the password. Now we will see the list of the databases. \l. See, these are the default databases. You can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases. Now create a database. Create database bank. See, we have created database. Let us verify. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. Okay. So to switch to database in PostgreSQL, we have to use \c or \connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay. Now verify the list of the tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. So let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the owner of the table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will see how to create user. First, to create user by running the command create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the users. Select username from pg underscore user. See, we have created new user. Now exit from this current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. \q is the command to exit from the current session. Now connect by using PSQL-u. New username is David-h means host name, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC. -d, then D means database. Hit enter, then provide the password of this user David. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So with the password, see, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Let us verify. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay, now try to access newly created database bank. Now run the query against the table that we have created. See, permission needed for the table customer to this user. Okay, why? Because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, so we can't stop or start or restart with this Postgres user. So exit from this user. Now run the sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL is stopped 7 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, exit. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is started and it is active and running. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started or restarted 1 second ago. Quit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or DBEaver. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.